Trade recap March the 24th. Today I'm down to R. I have made some quite good trades, to be honest. Like, I don't regret anything I've taken. And yeah, let's dive into the trade plan. Basically, like today we had like this bigger picture that the ETH once more failed at the 666 O area on ES, which was a pretty big resistance, but they were also holding the support at 6585 down there. And basically we were like back again to those lows. They were kind of balancing around the whole time, and I was like waiting for them accepting higher or coming back. On the daily volume profile during the ETH, you can see like there was like a lot of volume being migrated within this area here, kind of balanced. And yesterday it was also more kind of balanced, but on the way down. But there haven't been like any meaningful low liquidity areas where we could say that there is like an auction which has to be filled. That wasn't the case for this scenario today. And yeah, let's dive into the trades I've taken today. So basically this is like my new trading indicator. The first trade I've taken today, there was like some problem I had with my trading software. To be honest, I don't know why this happened, but whatever. And basically what happened, we had like this good higher high structure shaping up, and there was like the expectancy for them as they were holding this resistance once, made crazy amount of positive delta around here, had like prior absorption in this area that they want to fail this area once more. From there on they had like a good failure all the way down there, but weren't like able to make like a lower low. So maybe this wasn't like, this was the only reason which wasn't speaking too much for this trade, but overall I would still say it was a good one. I had an okay entry above like this highs almost, and like the expectancy was there for them failing, getting lower. Why? Because the 6625 area was a big resistance. 6625, it was like in this low liquidity, this beginning around here. This is like a 180 day volume profile, and yeah, it was basically like the expectancy there for them to fail from here. Ultimately they haven't, and instead they were like grinding higher. And then the second trade I've taken today was a long from this area. Why have I taken this long in this area? Because prior this area, which was a pretty great resistance, turned into a possible support. We had a prior bounce from this area, and the expectancy was there that they will try to hold it and continue higher. Ultimately they failed. So I was looking for a long from this area, big positive delta. I maybe could have waited. I wouldn't say could have waited, because like there was also this absorption from those delta bars. They turned red, and all the time they turn red, it basically means like the RSI based on the cumulative volume delta, which basically means the aggressive selling was oversold. Then those shape or turn red, and that was my entry criteria. We had like a good bounce from this area, like a quick 4 point bounce. I got long down there. We had this delta divergence, this positive bullish delta divergence starting to shape up, and my expectancy was there for them trying to hold out and trying to get higher. Yeah, ultimately they failed whatsoever, but they were definitely, if I would have waited a little bit more, I would have gotten like my 15-point win from this trade, but didn't turn out to be like that. Yeah, this was my trading day today. I've only taken 2 trades because after the second one I felt like pretty weak. We had like another good long opportunity from those lows once more. You were trying to hold this area. 660 area was a pretty good resistance all the time over the day. And yeah, that was my trading day today. Let's see us tomorrow.